Welcome to Uncle T Indonesian channel. A big thank you to Uncle T Indonesian friends who have subscribed, like, comment, and share. In this video, I will show you how to build an investment portfolio as an investor and hedge assets in the perpetual market to protect asset value by becoming a trader. At this stage, I will focus on crypto assets, which are future assets that are in great demand by many people. Here, I will tell you about my experience that have been involved in crypto since the beginning of 2012. I know Bitcoin. After that, I plug into the world of forex trading, shitcoin on the Ethereum network, stocks, and plug as a trader in crypto assets until now. Many think that investing will give you wealth quickly, and that's not wrong. As long as you know the knowledge. The problem today, many are investment scams that provide high returns without research first. And this is a stern warning to you to always be careful in entering the financial market with sufficient knowledge and a stable basis. Always use unused money for investment so as not to interfere with the basic needs of your life, and focus on growth to avoid depreciating our currency due to rising annual inflation. Welcome to the world of investment. Greetings. Great, and see you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.